What if the quick win was just easier? What if doing the thing that gave you that quick dopamine hit, the easy button, wasn't just tempting, but became your default? Ask any child what they want most, and you'll hear it. Fun, playtime, snacks, freedom, ease. They've got the formula figured out, right? Why work hard when you can go play? Why struggle when you can just skip ahead? Most people are still living with that same 4, 5, or 6-year-old mindset, chasing the quick win, grabbing for the easy fix, living for the next hit of, this feels good right now. But here's what that childlike wisdom doesn't understand. The quick win today can build a lifetime of hardship. Let me say it again, because you've probably never heard it that straight before. The quick win feels amazing now, but it can cost you decades, because everything in your life compounds. Everything you do today is either building a structure for your future or tearing it down with a smile on your face. That easy button? It might just be the trap that's keeping you from your calling. See, we've built a culture addicted to ease. Easy apps, easy answers, easy outs. Even artificial intelligence promises shortcuts for everything from grocery lists to business strategy. But here's what nobody's telling you. Easy doesn't build excellence. Ease doesn't produce endurance. Shortcuts don't create strength. It's not wrong to want fulfillment or joy in what you do. But when we start believing that the right answer is always the easiest one, we set ourselves up for disappointment, disillusionment, and eventually, disaster. Want to be healthy? It takes daily movement, daily choices, not perfection, but participation. Want a strong marriage? It takes intentional connection. Not grand gestures once a year, but small acts of faithfulness every day. Want to build a legacy? Then you've got to start acting like your life matters, because it does. Growth isn't about a moment, it's about momentum. I posted something recently that said, I finally figured out why I keep getting older. It's because great things take time. Let that sink in. Great things take time. Not because time alone does the work, but because who you become in the process is what makes it great. Look around. People are obsessed with quick fixes, crash diets, get-rich-quick schemes, 10x hacks, overnight success stories. But they're not looking at the residue those quick fixes leave behind. Burnout, debt, regret. Empty relationships built on borrowed images instead of shared experiences. So I'll ask you, what is your ultimate objective in life? Seriously, do you have one? Not a wish, not a mood, a clear, written, measurable life vision. And if you do, ask yourself this. Is the quick win I'm chasing right now going to move me toward that vision in 7 days? 4 weeks? 12 months? 5 years? Or is it just noise? A blip on the radar? A sugar rush for your soul with no substance to sustain you? My kids are learning this in real time. When they wake up and do their chores first thing in the morning, the rest of the day feels wide open, free, light, fun. But when they delay what must be done, those little things creep back in, interrupting their play, stealing their peace, reminding them that freedom is something you earn, not something you escape into. And honestly, adults are no different. So let me ask you, have you written your goals down? Have you taken the time to ask, what actions today will serve the life I want tomorrow? It's not about guilt. It's not even about discipline in the way the world defines it. It's about alignment, taking action that points toward your purpose. Even when it's uncomfortable, even when it doesn't feel productive in the moment. Let's talk about chores. Yep, chores. They're not punishment. They're preparation. They're not busy work. They're baseline maintenance for a life that doesn't spiral into chaos. Want to wear clean clothes? You've got to do the laundry. Want a clear head? Clean your space. Want to stop feeling overwhelmed? Do the little things consistently. It's not about perfection. It's about rhythm, flow, stewardship. And I'll say this plainly. It's not about delaying gratification. It's about fast-tracking the actions that produce ongoing, lasting, joyful results. It's not denial, it's design. Designing your life in such a way that the good things don't fade, they compound. You don't need to suffer now to be happy later. You just need to stop choosing what feels good over what is good. Because here's the truth. Immediate gratification is exciting. but lasting impact is exponential. Let me give you a picture. You could go out front with your kids and jump around on the lawn for 20 minutes. Fun? Sure. Memorable? Maybe. But what if instead you invested the time to build a trampoline, set it up, secure it, put in the work? Now your kids have years of fun ahead of them. And you? You created something that lasts longer than the moment. That's the power of intentionality. So today, ask yourself, what structures can I build now that my future self will thank me for? Don't just chase moments. Create movement, stack habits, design systems, build what lasts. And most of all, don't confuse ease with wisdom, because sometimes the hard thing is the holy thing. Sometimes the path of greatest resistance leads to the place of greatest reward. I want you to remember this. You don't need to delay joy. You just need to direct your effort. Choose to build. Choose to grow. Choose to sow seeds that you'll still be harvesting when the hype fades. Because when the lights go out, when the applause dies down, when the easy path proves to be a dead end, it's the slow, faithful steps you took today that will build the life you've always wanted. Now go. Make it count.